Hello, welcome back to TMS TV. My name's Paul Harvey, I'm the editor of MNIT, and I am here with Joe Austin, who is the sales director at Lime Venue Portfolio. Welcome to TMS TV, Joe.
Hi, great to be here again.
Yeah, no, fantastic to have you back on. Now, I wanted to kick off by saying congratulations because you've been nominated for the Sustainability Award at this year's MNIT Awards.
Absolutely, couldn't be more delighted. A massive agenda, a massive agenda item for us at Lime Venue Portfolio, and the Venues collection, which is the residential arm of the collection, have worked really hard on their social pillars and values, etc. And this isn't about throwing millions of pounds and money at our sustainability agenda. It's actually proving that we can actually do that by doing some small things very, very well. And I'll give you some examples of that, shall I?
Okay, yeah, no, definitely.
So, we looked at menu engineering, and that was really quite simple. We actually make our menus, we actually put the carbon measurement on all our menus, and that's our day delegate menus, that's actually our restaurant menus, that's our banqueting menus as well. So we're enabling our customers to make the right choices. That doesn't mean we tell them they have to have that.
But it means they know
absolutely
what their choices mean.
Absolutely. And then we actually explain that to them. So we kind of say, if you did this and actually you change it to that, the impact is this. And actually I think that's really enabling customers to probably make the right choices in an easy way, because it isn't always easy to do that, is it?
No, not at all. No.
So that was one of the things. The other thing is electric car charging points. I work for an organisation that will have a fully electric fleet by the end of 2024, which is again, I work for an organisation that values all this stuff incredibly well, and I have a lot of support in my organisation for that. So we've got solar powered electric charging points going into the venues collection. We've got compost. We're doing a compost project at Eastwood Hall in Nottingham.
Okay.
And that's where we're really taking food waste incredibly seriously. By actually seeing if there's better ways of doing that. Not being an expert on composting, funnily enough, we will have to wait 3 months to see how successful that is.
Yeah. Compost is complicated. I have a compost heap in my garden. I have no idea how it works.
Have you got worms in it?
I'm not sure.
Okay. We had to buy worms to put in ours to make it really effective.
Where do you buy worms
from? Well, exactly.
That was my
first problem. That was my first problem. But we've actually done that. So we'll actually share that, and that'll be another thing that we'll actually be talking about as we kind of move forward. But it was all of these initiatives, alongside the carbon labelling, the electric charging points, how we deal with plastics on site. Food waste has been a huge thing that's actually been part of our entry for the MNIT Award, and we're delighted to be shortlisted.
No, fantastic. And also something else I wanted to touch on, shameless plug for myself here, but at the moment I am doing the Trade Show Vegan Challenge, #TradeShowVegan, which involves being vegan during the trade show and during the duration of all the trade shows I attend this year. Now, you're actually doing a similar thing. It's not Trade Show Vegan, I'll forgive you, but you're doing a similar thing. You're measuring your carbon impact, is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. So following on your article, which I read and absolutely made me laugh, and as the fact that you could sit in a steak restaurant in Germany and actually not eat steak was absolutely
it was a
hats
great
off. Hats off.
It was a great test, I have to tell you.
So what I've challenged my team with, we're here for the whole of the 2 days. We have the stand build. My team are based all over the UK, and we said let's try and measure what the carbon impact of us actually exhibiting at the meeting show.
Wow.
So I've set them some challenges around how they got here, electric car or public transport.
Electric car or public transport. Has anyone come in an electric car?
Yeah, we've all got electric cars.
All right, okay,
if
of course
we
you
do,
have, yes.
if they have, I live in Yorkshire, I have an electric car, but I've come on public transport.
Okay.
And so that was the first challenge. The next one was actually choose well what we actually eat on this journey, looking for plant forward, looking to make some good choices. So that's been quite interesting.
Yeah.
The things that we've been doing on our stand at the meeting show, again, quite interesting. No plastics allowed on the stand. We've all had our reusable water bottles and our reusable coffee cups. So, we've taken it in turns to go to the coffee shop with all of our coffee cups to get the orders in the right order and the right to do that. So reusable everything, nothing plastic allowed on the stand whatsoever.
Wow.
Our giveaways have actually been packets of seeds where we share our journey. Again, just supporting our sustainability agenda. So I'm looking forward to next week when my team actually, we put all this into our process, and we see what that actually does look like.
Yeah, no, it should be absolutely fascinating, and I hope you'll share the results with us.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well, all right, Joe. Well, I'll let you get back to it, and
Perfect.
carry on measuring everything and being plant forward.
Yeah,
and
certainly will.
thank you very much for joining me on TMS TV.
Fabulous to be here again.
Thank you very much. Cheers.